Hello, friends. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning, and I'm here with you, your girl Gladys. I'm here for us to go through the process of preparing hand sanitizer. These are the products I'm going to use for my hand sanitizer. I have an aloe vera gel. I have two of the things here with me, and I also have my alcohol, ethanol of 96% alcohol. I have about 2.5 liters here. I also have my glycerin replacing the essential oil. I also have my mineral water, and then my measuring cup. I also have my stirring stick, and I have the bowl I'm going to use for the mixture. The aloe vera is 1 kilogram, and then the alcohol, the ethanol, is 2.5 liters, and then I have my glycerin. The glycerin I'm just going to use about 10 milliliters, and I have my mineral water here. I prefer using the mineral water, but you can still use the normal tap water or water from the air conditioning. So thank you for watching the product I'm going to use. So now I'm going to start with a mixture, and let's see how that goes. It's very simple and easy. You can do that in the house and use it yourself than buying the expensive ones outside. Trust me, you're gonna like it. Hello friends, this is your girl Gladys. I'm back here. This is my aloe vera gel in my mixing bowl, and I'm going to add 2 liter. I'm going to add 10 mils of the glycerin to the aloe vera gel, and then this is the next mixture. This is 10 mils. So I'm going to stir it thoroughly till it is well mixed. This is what I'm going to do. I'm stirring it till it's well mixed. So this is my aloe vera gel. I'm mixing it, and you know what? I'm going to start with the water. The second stage is adding of water, and that's going to come in bits. You add a little water, and then you stir till it's well mixed. So the water and the ethanol will be added gradually. So you can see it is mixing thoroughly. Almost done with the mixture. When it's done, I'll add my alcohol. A little bit of the alcohol. Then I'll start stirring again. You have to stir it very well so it's well mixed. So that's what I'm doing here. You see, it's almost smooth. That's good. Then I add my little water. And start stirring all over again. can see what's happening now. It's mixing. So I'm going to add my alcohol again. So the alcohol and the water, when you add alcohol and mix, after stirring it you add another water, but just make sure the water you add to the 2.5 liters of alcohol is just about 50 mils. So I'm just going to add 50 mils, 50 mils of water to the 2.5 liters of alcohol to make my hand sanitizer very effective, so you can stand the bacteria of any kind of bacteria, or especially the coronavirus. So exactly that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to add my alcohol again. So right now I'm using 1 liter of alcohol. I'm stirring again. You can see the change. It looks like the alcohol is plenty in it to get mixed quickly. I'm stirring harder so that the mixture will be faster. See, it's well mixed again. Adding alcohol. Now stop adding water. I'm going to add alcohol throughout. This half liter of alcohol I just bought. Stir it again for it to mix very well. The rest of the alcohol. So now I've used 2 liters of alcohol. The water I use is just about 350 mils of water.
Yeah.
Yes. Morning. Credit transfer. Shamafa at Rainamanoa. Yes. Yeah, I want to start preparing the Parazzo or bleach. This is my soda ash. This is my caustic soda. and this is my high pro. So I'm gonna mix this three together, and I'll start by pouring all of them into a container of water. So this is 1 kilogram of soda ash, 1 kilogram of caustic soda, and 1 kilogram of high pro. But then the caustic soda, I'm going to add half kilo to it. That is going to be 1.5 kilogram, because I want my bleach to be very effective. So I'm going to use 1.5 kilograms. Whilst the soda ash and the high pro, I'm going to maintain the 1 kilogram each. But someone would like to use 1 kilogram each for all, but I prefer using 1.5 kilogram of the caustic soda, so that will make my bleach very effective. So I'm just going to pour all this into a bucket of water, and the quantity of water I'm going to use is 40 liters of water. I'm going to use 40 liters of water for these three mixtures, and I'm going to stir it over and over and over again till it is well mixed. Then, so it means I'm going to stir it for about 30 minutes so that it will mix thoroughly, and after that I'm going to cover it down till it settles. So I'm going to leave it for 2 or 3 days intervals so that it will settle very well, and it will be the bleach will become very effective. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start with the mixture, pouring each of them into the container of water, and then after I finish pouring everything, I'm going to stir for 30 minutes. Then when it is well mixed or thoroughly mixed and it turns white, then I will leave it. I'll cover it for 2 or 3 days, and then it will settle and it will become very good, very effective. Then I'll pour it and then add my base and my thickener. Some people prefer only base, and others also prefer thickener with base. But when you add base, it forms a lot, and especially it's good for washing when you're going to use it to wash, and when you're going to use it to clean floors and others. You have to minimize the base because it's going to foam a lot and people will not like it. But when you're going to use it to wash, it's perfect when you add only base. So that's what I'm going to use. After mixing it, I'm going to cover it for 2 or 3 days till it settles. Then I'm going to fetch it out and leave the leftover for another mixture time. Thanks so much for watching. This is Gladys, your girl. Yeah, so this is my mixture. I've been stirring it for some time now, and it is well mixed. You can see it's very whitish. Sometimes when it's like this, people sometimes add color to it to make it yellowish, a little bit yellowish. But in my own opinion, I think that is unprofessional, because when you buy Parazzos out there in the store, in the factory, it doesn't look yellowish, but rather looks very clean and colorless. So I don't think using the color will make it look better. So I don't add color to it at all. But most people who does it locally often add color to it to make it a little bit yellowish, but I don't think that is advisable. I don't like using color hello I don't like using color to my Parazzo. So you keep stirring it and it keeps settling down. So you keep stirring till it's well mixed for at least 30 minutes and it's done. Then you cover it till 2 or 3 days. Then it will settle for you to fresh and add your base to it. So you can see right now a Parazzo is well mixed, and I'm going to stop mixing it now.